You just pat, 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 pat. Oh dear, I really need to get out more. Hi everyone, welcome back to Linda Libra Loca. Today I wanted to share with you an easy everyday makeup look with a tad, with a nod to spring and Valentine's Day, which are absolutely not my time of the year. Well, I like spring, but I'm not much into Valentine's Day and pinks and all that. So I decided to do a pinkish peach bronze look, which is probably what I would wear around this time of year. I already did my base to save us some time, and because I'm going to film a foundation review, and the one I used is the L'Oreal Perfect Match in the color 1.5 Linen. So I'm going to zoom you right in. As a base, I'm going to use a Clinique Chubby stick, and this is back to the bronze. I have no clue, I'm going to write it down here. But this is going to be my primer, and I'm just messily applying this all over my lid. And to tie everything in, I'm going to apply a little bit underneath my lower lash line. I know this is supposed to be a bronze color, but to me it looks a lot like those peachy glossy eyes that I've been seeing around a lot. Now for the pink. With a flat shader brush, I'm going in with this color. It's called Pink Puff, and it's supposedly matte, but I have no clue. It's a really, really old color, and apply that to the inner part of my lid, just on top of that bronze color. And this is about as much pink as you will get from me. Oh, and my nails. They are gorgeous, I see. Then for the peachy part, I'm going in with this color. It's another matte. It's by MAC, Sand and Sun, and it was limited edition, but it's just a matte peach. There should be a ton this season. And apply that to the two outer thirds of the eye. To tie everything in, I'm going in with the Body Shop Honey Bronze Bronzer on just a fluffy brush. And apply that a little above my crease like that, blend it out to my eyebrows just for some extra warmth and as a transition. Now that look would obviously look really good with just a light eye and tons of mascara, but that wouldn't be me if I would wear a liner. So the Catrice Glam and Doll Superblack liner, 16 hours waterproof, is going along my lash line, and I'm going to start where the pink ends, just a thin line. And this one has a fancy shape, which is supposed to be used as a stamp for an even wing on both sides, and it actually really works. So you just stamp it on one eye and then stamp it on the other. But because this is supposed to be a soft spring look, I'm just going with the tiniest flick, not a full-on wing. Mascara, I picked the pink one to honor the occasion, and this one is by Lacura, which is eyelids. But yeah, I know it reminded me of that mascara as well. I have no clue, can't compare them, but from what I've seen online, even the brush is similar. And given that this is a really cheap mascara, I really like it. It is black, black, black. It holds a curl and stays put until tonight. So if you have eyelid near you, go see if they have this mascara in stock. I highly recommend it, and it will be the best euro you ever spend. To tie in with the natural look, I want some flush on my cheeks. Flash. Just a natural flush on my cheeks, and I'm using Pixi by Petra Sheer Cheek Gel in this. The color looks pretty intense in the tube, but trust me, once on your face it doesn't. You just pat, 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 pat. And it's a really buildable color, so to show up on camera I'm going to use a little more than I usually would, but otherwise you wouldn't see it. And once it's on my skin, it just stays put and doesn't fade or move. But yeah, downside is, as this is the darkest color you can get, I think anyone with a more tan complexion than I do, or darker, deeper complexion than I do, wouldn't get much use out of those. And then, because this is supposed to be just an easy look, I'm going to go in with my Lips But Better color, and the one I'm using is again by Clinique. This is a Chubby stick for lips in the color Mega Melon, and I think it's discontinued. And there you go, a quite effortless look with a nod to pink and Valentine's Day, but still in colors that I would wear, and the lip color that my husband wouldn't mind kissing, because yeah, if I wear a red lips, there will be no smooching. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any further uploads. And yeah, I'm going to see you all very soon with another video. Bye!